According to a research, the average user had 630 photos stored on their phone as at 2015, with that number increasing rapidly to over 2,000 pictures in 2022. The average iOS user takes up to 2,400 photos per month, while the average Android user 1,900 photos monthly. Imagine a world where you get paid up to $2 every day for each of these photos. In no time at all, you would be able to earn $1,200 daily for uploading photos. In this video, I'd show you the best paying websites to sell photos online, what kind of photos you can use to make money online fast, and how to make money online for free by uploading other people's photos and withdraw your earnings. But first, make money Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. Shutterstock. That's it. The name of the first website that would literally pay you for pictures you take on your phone. Landing on the homepage of Shutterstock, you immediately get that vibe that this is a website with a humongous collection of photos. And these were taken by individuals just like you all around the world. All you would need to do here is simply use your phone to take a picture, or maybe several if you want the big bucks, and upload it right here on this website. Once people buy your images from this website, you're gonna get paid for it off royalties. Let me show you just how to get started. Go ahead and click on the link in the description below to head straight to the registration page where you'll start making money with your photos on Shutterstock. Share your work and start earning. Join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love. Earn money by just taking pictures. Here's how this works. You create, meaning you would produce high-quality images and videos for customers to download. You submit, meaning that you will upload your content with the Shutterstock easy-to-use platform and get tips for success. You get paid, meaning that you make money every time your content is downloaded by one of their worldwide customers. One really good thing about Shutterstock is that they have people who subscribe every single day to download pictures. All that needs to be done for now is for your own picture to get selected for a download, and you'd be well on your way in beginning to earn $1,200 daily for uploading photos. You can even make more money by referring new contributors and customers, which is basically affiliate marketing. You refer people to Shutterstock, they upload pictures, and once they get paid, you get a commission as well. Over the past 15 years since its launch, Shutterstock has paid out over $1 billion to its creators worldwide. These are payments to people just like you and I. To begin, just go ahead and click on Get Started. Great as Shutterstock might be looking right now, there are plenty more websites out there willing to pay you some huge amounts for your pictures as well. I would be taking you through 3 more platforms that actually pay much higher than Shutterstock. So just stick around for the full list and make your choice. Oh, and one more thing, not all these sites are exclusive. That means some of them would allow you to be able to share the exact same content you uploaded on their platform to other websites. That's just more money for you and a faster way to hit your goal to earn $1,200 daily for uploading photos. Moving on with Shutterstock, fill in your full name, desired display name, email address, and then password. When that's done, certify you're 18 or above and complete the I'm not a robot verification CAPTCHA, and then click on Next right after. That's basically the sign-up process for Shutterstock. You will be required to verify your account through the verification mail you provided. Following a successful verification, you would be prompted to fill in your residential and mailing address, which can of course be the same, so you don't have to fill it twice. And you're done. You can head over to your dashboard to just check out the layout. To begin uploading content, that's images or videos, click on the top left red button that says Upload Content, and then begin your journey to earn $1,200 daily for uploading photos. ALAMY. Here's the second powerful site that pays creators like you large sums of money to sell images online. Scrolling through, you can see all the beautiful aesthetics of the website. I mean, that's what would attract the customers over here and get them to download your own pictures too. ALAMY has great design and graphics relationship with massive companies. The likes of Microsoft, Marriott, Nintendo, Squarespace, Ralph Lauren, massive stuff. Once again, head over to the description below to get the registration link for ALAMY to begin to make money uploading photos. Sell your work all around the world. Join now and end up to 50% of any sale. This website works exactly the same way as Shutterstock, Just take pictures, upload it, and you get paid when someone purchases it from ALAMY. It's that simple. Scrolling a bit down, it says, we pay out over $1 million every month to our contributors. ALAMY has a lot of contributors, and you can very well become one of the people with a percentage of this $1 million by as soon as this week. ALAMY has a massive audience just waiting to actually buy whatever it is that you're going to put on the platform. So just go around your environment today and get pictures of literally anything. ALAMY assures you of a global exposure on your content, as they would be available worldwide. ALAMY gives you empowering tools to help you discover what their clients most request for and what you should try to upload more of. Transparent terms and conditions. Enjoying complete creative license, you own the license to you whatever content you upload. This is the true definition of passive income because you take these pictures once, upload it on this website, and make money from it forever. It's a great home-based business where stay-at-home moms or even teenagers can use to make money as a student. Head to the top and click on Become a Contributor. Right here is where you start. You would need to fill in your information here. Your first name and last names, email address, password, phone number, and address. Are you a photographer, agency, or student? I personally would advise that you just stick with photographer or student. The About You field is optional, but of course it's important for you to actually fill it with a little brief about yourself. Likes, dislikes, hobbies, passion. Select whatever email preference you want, and once you're done, come down here and agree to the ALAMY terms and conditions. Now click on Become a Contributor to get started. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. Dreamstime, the third website on your journey to earn $1,200 daily for uploading photos. Dreamstime.com operates on the same principle of the past two websites. Take pictures or record videos, upload them, and earn a commission every time your image or videos is used. Dreamstime is a really large platform as well, currently holding up to 192 million stock photos and with 44 million users. Scrolling down, you can see that Dreamstime has a lot of different categories that you can upload your content into. Regular photos, vector art, illustrations, editorials, videos, and even audio. Here you can find the popular image searches on the site to guide you on what kind of content is being purchased more frequently. Scrolling down to the bottom, we see some of the top-tier customers on Dreamstime, likes of Samsung, IKEA, Time Magazine, Autodesk, and Google. To sign up for Dreamstime, click on the button right here that says Upload and Sell Photos. Sign up and start making money. You just need to do the work once, and you can sell this over and over again over a long period of time. World's largest stock photo marketplace, exclusive benefits, and highest royalties of up to 60%. Scrolling down a bit, you would see a video testimonial of people just like you, sharing their story about Dreamstime. Scrolling further are some of the top creators of this platform that shared their stories as well. To sign up, scroll back to the top and just click on this button at the top right of the screen. Fill in your email address and a password, and then click on Sign Up for free. Getty Images, the fourth and final website on your journey to earn $1,200 daily for uploading photos. Major news networks heavily patronize a lot of images from Getty Images. They buy a bunch of images and videos from here to put on their platforms, mainly because they are in ultra high quality resolutions. The interesting thing is that these images were created or captured by people like me and you from all over the world. If something happens in India, for example, right now, you'd see Can put an image or video in front of it while covering the story. If you come to check Getty Images for that event, odds are you'd find it here. A quick example can be the 2020 Black Lives Matter movement in the United States. There are Ultra HD pictures and videos live from the protest grounds. These were taken by creators with a smartphone just like you. So how do you get started and become a contributor to this platform? You can do that by clicking on the link in the description below right now. You would land on this page here where you can apply to become a contributor. Put your creativity to work. Join a creative community where top brands, global media, and leading advertising agencies can see your content. Earn money every time they license one of your photos, videos, or illustrations. How to apply? In just 4 steps, you can begin to earn $1,200 daily for uploading photos on Getty Images. 1. Download the app, as that's the only platform they accept applications through. 2. Upload content to the app for reviewing by the Getty Images team. You would need to upload 3 to 6 photos, illustrations, or videos so the team can vet their quality. 3. Get reviewed. Your uploaded samples would get reviewed and you'd be later informed via email if you get accepted. If successful, you'll be offered a non-exclusive agreement. That means that you cannot upload the same content you do here on any other site. If you watched the video all the way to this point, I'm going to say a big thank you to you by giving you something that would help you earn your first $10 on this site in a single day. Comment below saying, "Thank you, Olivia, and I will reach out to you within 3 days." Please do not answer anyone asking you to message on WhatsApp, Telegram, or any platform. I would never post my private contact details here on YouTube. Those accounts are fake. And that's it. How to earn $1,200 daily for uploading photos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.